Hello friends, I am No.1 and welcome back in another fresh episode of Appseeker. So I was having my exams, so I wasn't able to make videos. So finally my exams are over and let's start making the videos now. So the topic for today's video is what is the #1 wallpaper app that will fulfill all your needs. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's talk about the wallpaper app now. But before I get started, make sure you watch my entire video and you do not miss anything. So the wallpaper app has some surprising features in it. It not only has wallpapers but it also has ringtones and many other features. So the wallpaper app is called Creative. As you can see, it not only has wallpapers, it has ringtones, home screen setups, and you can edit your own image and add its frames. So let's get to know the wallpapers. So the wallpapers in the popular category, as you can see, really look cool and they are really gorgeous looking wallpapers. So here are the wallpapers. There are many features like new and featured ones as well. You can directly download it by just tapping on the wallpaper. As you can see, here is the download option and you can directly set it as wallpaper. And it also has ringtones. As you can see, many new ringtones and popular ringtones are present in this app. As you can see, there is a wide variety of ringtones here. So let's see what is the home screen. So the home screen here has some preset home screen setups. So you can set the exact setup on your device. As you can see, here are some really gorgeous looking setups here. So, and the image editor is, as you can see, you can add your own image and set it as your wallpaper. And here are some frames as well, which you can add when you add your image. So this was the video guys. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more such app related videos in the future. And also check my channel, I make some awesome videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'm your host Aditya and let's meet in another episode of Appseeker. I'm signing out. Take care.